Welcome all, this is the continuation video of liquidation of company. In previous video I explained the basic of liquidator final statement of account and explained the format. Link for previous video is given in description. Okay, let's go into the content. Today, we going to learn how to solve problems in liquidator's final statement of account, working notes for calculation, and how to find balancing figure of the problem. Let's look into the question. In this question, they clearly mentioned that a limited company go into the voluntary liquidation, so they appointed a liquidator who helped the company to sell all asset in a market price, and the total amount is mentioned as asset realized. The total asset realized value is rupees 80,000. And also, he helped to settle all liability of company. On behalf of company, he need to pay rupees 30,000 for 6% debenture holders. And need to pay rupees 25,000 to preferential creditor, and at last he need to pay rupees 58,000 to unsecured creditor. The expense in liquidation is rupees 1,500. Liquidator collect a commission on asset realized for 2.5% on whole value of asset realized, and commission on unsecured creditor for 2% on whole value of unsecured creditor. They include preferential creditor. Company need to pay commission for his service. Okay, let's go into the solution. The total receipt of the company is rupees 80,000, which is asset realized value. Then the total payment are, let's start with remuneration to liquidator. First, 2.5% on asset realized, that is rupees 80,000. The value is 80,000, multiple by 2.5, divided by 100, is rupees 2,000. Then, 2% on preferential creditor, that is rupees 25,000. The value is 25,000, multiple by 2, divided by 100. At last we need to find commission on unsecured creditor in working note 2. Then payment on expenses of liquidation is rupees 1,500. Then payment to 6% debenture holders, rupees 30,000. Then payment to preferential creditor, rupees 25,000. Then lastly, payment to unsecured creditor. Let's see the working note number 1 of the problem. Working note number 1 is to prepare for finding out the amount available for payment of unsecured creditor. For that, we need to less total payment from total receipt. The total receipt of the company is rupees 80,000. The total payment after payment of liquidator remuneration on asset realized and preferential creditor, then payment to 6% debenture holders, and payment of expense of liquidation, and payment to preferential creditor, we get total payment is rupees 59,000. After reducing rupees 59,000 from rupees 80,000, we get rupees 21,000. Now amount available for payment of unsecured creditor is rupees 21,000. The total amount payable to unsecured creditor is rupees 58,000. But amount available after payment of all liability is rupees 21,000, so sufficient amount is not available. If sufficient amount is not available, the remuneration for liquidator on unsecured creditor is total amount available, multiple by percentage of remuneration, divided by 100 added with percentage of remuneration. Now the value is 21,000 multiple by 2, divided by 102. That is 100 added with 2. The answer is rupees 412. The rupees 412 is paid as commission for liquidator for his service. Let's start prepare the liquidator's final statement of account. In left side, we need to enter all receipt of the company. In the sum, asset realized is only receipt of the company. Let mention asset realized rupees 80,000 in receipt side. Now let come to payment side. In payment side, the order should not change. First, there is no legal expenses, so enter legal expenses and enter nil amount. Then liquidator remuneration as rupees 2,912, enter it. Then liquidation expenses, rupees 1,500, then 6% debenture holders, rupees 30,000, then preferential creditor, rupees 25,000. Now tally both side. By tolling the sum, the receipt side is overvalued by rupees 20,588. This rupees 20,588 is the amount payable to unsecured creditor. So in payment side, enter unsecured creditor as balancing figure and enter rupees 20,588. Now both side are tally and equal. Thank you for watching this video. In next video we discuss the complicated sum in Liquidator's final statement of account. Thank you once again. If you like this video, like, comment and share, but don't forget to subscribe.